Welcome to your BBPS e-learning class. I hope you all are well, staying safe at home. This is your English period. I am your English teacher. Today we will study sentence from English language. Right? There are some thoughts in our mind which we have to express it, like Ravi, Shyam, good, bad. These are some words. But saying these words, we can't express and show our feelings to others. Right? We can't explain the meaning. For this, we have to say some sentences. What are sentences? They are group of words. Like Shyam is a good boy, Ravi is a bad boy. Shyam is a good boy. It is a complete group of words that making a complete thought and a complete meaning. That is called sentence. Okay. Now we will further study that how sentences are formed, how they came. Okay. So let's study. As I earlier told you that today we will study sentence. It is from English language and your date is 18th March 2021. Now I already told you a little bit about sentence. Now I will explain it further. Number 1. A. What is this? A, B, C. What are these? These all are alphabets or letters which you study in your class nursery, right? Alphabets or letters. Then in the second one you form word. Firstly we form alphabets, then we form word. What is India? India is a word, right? Then we will come to the third part. India is a big country. It is a group of words. What are these? These are group of words, and group of words are known as sentence. What is group of words are known as? Sentence. Right? Firstly, you all study about alphabets or letters. Then you know some words. And then at the end you make some group of words. They are known as sentence. Now, let's study what is sentence. A group of words so arranged as to make complete sense is a sentence. A group of words, they are arranged to make a complete sense. Like in the first alphabet is A, then India, right? Now in the sentence form it is India is a big country, right? What are these? A group of words that make a complete sense. They are called as sentence. Let's come to the example. Number 1. Rohan is a good boy. Right? It is a whole sentence, complete sentence which is making a complete thought or a complete sense. See, if I have written Rohan, what do you think? You can't imagine it. What is, you must be thinking it is a name of a boy. But when I am telling that Rohan is a good boy, means he is good in studies, good in sports, he is good in overall performance. Then Sarika is a sweet girl. Again, I am writing a complete sentence, that is Sarika is a sweet girl. Now, come to a note. A sentence always begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. You all know what is a capital letter and what is a small letter. And a sentence always begins with a capital letter. See, it is a sentence, Virat is a good boy. It is a complete sentence. And V is starting in capital letters, right? And there is a full stop in the end, right? Now, over here what this statement says, a sentence always begin with the capital letter and ends with a full stop. Now, in the second sentence, you will again see that Rahul sings very sweet. R is in capital letters because the sentence starts with a capital letter and ends with a full stop, right? Your homework is learn the definition of sentence. Right? Students, don't copy it in your classwork copy. Just read it and learn it. Okay? Since your homework is learn the definition of sentence. Right? That's all for today. Have a good day, students. Thank you.